Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for best Elevenlabs coupon code? So, you are in the right place because today I've got something special for you, a 100% working Elevenlabs coupon code that will save you a good chunk of money right now. This is one of the best deals available online, and I'm going to show you exactly how to grab it. Getting this deal is super simple. Click the special link I've added in the video description. I've also pinned it in the comments for your convenience. That link already includes the latest coupon code, so no need to search around. On the Elevenlabs coupon website, choose the plan that suits you the most, then click the Show Code button. Note, I'm not showing the actual code in this video because Elevenlabs updates it frequently. To get the most recent working code, just click the link below. Copy the code, or the deal may get activated automatically when you click on Show Code button. Now go back to the checkout page. That's it. Now just choose your preferred payment method, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps support the channel. And if you want more useful tips, deals, and tech content, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your loved ones. Blessings to you all.